My good people, welcome to another episode of PG Vibes Yarnings. Today yarnings got to do with that Sapele road for this our Benin. The Sapele road of the truth when I go that journey, I almost shed tears. For good 3 days to 4 days, I don't get my body. We dey suffer for this country we dey suffer, citizens we dey suffer. Normally Nigeria those days road transport na one of the best ways to transport. Dat time I dey go Sapele well well now. I just reach Ajib enter motor, before you know, before dem say jacob me say I don reach Sapele, I don do wetin I wan do, I go come back. I come say make me go worry now. Pipu come dey tell me say far dat road no good quick comot house quick comot house dey say comot house by 5, comot house by 5. Me come dey like comot house by 5 for worry here. After 5 na me comot na based on my friend make e wan carry me go park. As we dey go na we see one Sienna, sharp new Sienna dey load for Santana market for there. Dey load some women load, dem dey go cocoa market, dem wan go buy oil and the rest things. Na me come enter the motor. As we dey go, road block, the man come go pass inside BIU, that BIU side. If you see erosion, make the man dey swim. E bumper pull, that one no come do, we come reach. When we dey come, before I see motor wey carry me come Benin, na even lift person na help me. I no see commercial motor wey dey go Benin. The one wey I see, nobody dey inside. If you see the motor sef e don go. I come still manage reach the motor. This motor when I enter, based on say the guy na Obage dey go, e come just drop me. We no even fit reach BIU, come get one place wey e drop me. When I come down for the motor, I look front, I look back, I say I wan take comot for here. The road block, as you dey see for the video like this, so you dey see all the trailer, how the road stay bad. How federal road go be like this? I gat enter bike from that place go reach bypass 1-2. Tell me how road go be like this for a country like Nigeria? Because me no understand Is it that our leaders no know wetin dey happen? Trailers dey fall everyday for that road. Sometimes I dey go that day, I come dey reason all those trailer drivers. How dem dey feel? Me wey be say I be passenger normal, my body 4 days I no get my body. Na come be all those trailer drivers dey turn the steering, dey turn. How their body dey feel dem? Dey reach house, why things no go dey expensive? That day when I dey go, I see trailer na me carry plantain. The trailer spoil when I dey go that morning. As when I dey come, dey still dey repair the trailer. No be person get that goes. You know how many loss that person go encounter for that plantain? I no know which kind government we get, when all this suffering go take end. Because I no know. See road now. For a country wey God bless with so many mineral resources, even with our oil, with everything wey God bless us with all the revenues wey people dey carry, you no fit fix all this roads? Citizens just dey suffer. Na suffer we dey for this country because if you dey say you dey enjoy, no enjoyment for this country. Because look around now, we no fit travel from pole A to pole B, person go wan die, body go wan kill person. I say for 4 days I no get my body. When I come down, when I come manage reach the bypass, come enter mini bus wey dey go where I dey go, hold up for everywhere like so we dey manoeuvre. My body done. I come down for motor, my leg dey shake, my knee, I no fit feel my nail. This is not life. This one no be life wey we dey live for this country of a truth. Basic thing no go fit do for us. Everybody just dey fight for 2027 election. We still get a year and some months to go. Una no fit do basic things for us. Okay, Sapele road wey dey say dem dey do now, I no know wetin dem dey do for the road. Because na where una dey, una still dey na where una dey, una still dey. Where good na there una go dey destroy, una dey do. The place wey bad well well, una no even fit go do that place first. Make we say that one don still comot. Even that day when we dey even dey go, the road wey dem don do, wey dem don manage open, wey people dey pass, the road don dey spoil. The concrete road, e don dey spoil. Which kind country we dey? Wetin be all this suffer? When all this suffering go take end? because I no just know, you go fit say okay, if this government come, the next government go good. Nigeria own, the next government yan dey worst. My people, I don tire. My people, sha una no still forget to like to still share this message, to still subscribe make we dey hear our ogbonge news as we dey go, make we still dey get update as we still dey go. Make una no forget our website still dey there o, www.pidginvibes.ng, where you go fit get all the ogbonge news, all the ogbonge tori as e dey happen e dey drop for there. Una no still forget to follow us for Facebook o, Pidgin Vibes we dey there. All our social media handle na still Pidgin Vibes o. My people, una do o.